So here are the used helmet sections. If you look at it, an Arai Rapid Neo, which is 30,000 in Manila or 20-something. Dito, ang price niya magiging mga 13,000 pesos, 13 to 14. This one, the Astro GX, is mga 16,000. If you want showy, this is the Z8. This is actually the model that we have, the Z8. Ganun din, mga 13 to 14,000. Arai Rapid Neo, again, a large. Mas mura pa to. Lumalabas, mga 11,000 lang. This showy Glamster, 36. So, 6, 7, mga 15,000. 15 to 16,000. Showy. Dami showy. This is an old model, the Z7. Aray. Showy ulit. Ayan, showy. So, if you want a jet-style helmet, so this is going to come out around almost 10,000. The showy J. Cruise na XL. Hindi ko lang makita kung ano yung quality pero mukha namang okay pa.